Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Xiaomi. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Then you need to choose themes and click on the search bar. Over here you can type whatever you want to, like flowers, and pick theme that you like the best. Click on it. Then select free over here and tap on got it. Lastly, click on apply. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. But if you wish to go back into the default one, you can always go back. Go into themes again, but this time choose profile at the bottom right corner, select themes and tap on one of the default ones, like that one. Then select apply and click home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!